Yummy, what's that? What do you have there?
It's a slime.
It's slime?
Yeah.
Ooh, you gonna do some slime today?
Yeah.
Oh, are you ready?
Yes.
All right, open your slime. Let's show them your slime.
Okay.
Mommy's gonna help you. Let me see what you have.
Look, this is my basket.
Ooh, that's your basket?
Yeah.
All right.
And I got that.
I think that's what you put your slime inside of.
Yeah.
And you have to put it in there.
Oh my god.
You gotta put your batteries in there.
My battery?
Yeah, we got the batteries in your slime thing. Let's see how it works.
So cool. So cool.
Which one is your favorite color?
What are these, slimes?
I think so. Which one is your favorite color? You're not even paying attention.
This one.
What color is that?
Purple.
I thought your
Light
favorite color
purple?
was pink.
Yeah.
Now it's purple?
Yeah,
Or
I'll
it's both of them?
Yeah.
You like both?
Yeah.
All right. Ooh, what do you have there?
Wow.
Ooh.
What are these for?
I don't know. We're about to find out. So it's actually a washing machine.
Oh my god.
All right, so let's see how it works.
Wow.
Turn it off. Where do you put the slime at? Let's see how it works. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it.
Yes. I'm so excited.
You so excited?
Yeah.
Let's see how it works. That looks so cool.
What is this, Mommy?
That's the scent beads.
Oh.
Ooh, I want to see how your slime washing machine works.
Which
Can
one
you
wanna
wash
go
me
first?
some slime?
I want pink and blue. See, right?
Now you gotta get some more slime.
It's so jelly.
You gotta go
Jiggly.
wash machine.
Wow.
Come on, let's see how it works. How it works. How it works.
Okay.
Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. So we put the slime. Oh, we put the slime in the wash machine. Ooh. All right.
How
Now what do we do next?
How we open this?
It's not the end yet.
Okay.
That's like your detergent.
Okay. How do I open this?
So is it supposed to shoot out?
Okay. Wow.
Don't put all of it. Save some.
Okay.
You done poured most of it.
Pink and blue. Wow.
That's it.
Okay,
Hurry,
now-
hurry, 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 hurry. Let's see.
Now do we close it?
Yeah, gotta wash.
Okay.
Press it.
Ooh, hold on.
Turn it back around. Let me see. You gotta keep it closed. Turn it around. You like your slime washing machine?
Yeah. I'm gonna put my slime in the basket while it's done.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Alright.
Yes.
Alright, stop it. Let's see. Take it out. Take it out. Take it out.
Wow.
Is it stuck? Ooh, it's slimy. Yucky.
Oh my god.
Ooh, let them see.
Wow. Ooh, sticky.
We're gonna call that cotton candy.
Yummy. Yeah, cotton candy.
Ooh.
Ooh. If I mix this, it will become purple. I'll mix it.
That's cotton candy.
Candy. Whoa, it's so jelly.
Now you finally opened your slime wash machine, so now you don't have to ask no more.
Okay.
You like it?
Oh, wow. I'm gonna mix mix this to purple.
You're gonna mix it into purple? All right. So you're gonna go enjoy your slime now?
Yeah.
All right, let them see your slime wash machine one more time. Ooh. Tell them thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
And what else?
Like and subscribe.
All right. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.